All right, good evening, everybody. Today is Wednesday, the 11th of April. If you take a look at the overall market, this is the S&P 500, right? The E-minis. Basically, really starting to consolidate down in here. And once we get that break, we are going to break. Today, look at little inside day. So look at we're starting to coil up. Volatility is contracting. So contraction leads to expansion, expansion leads to contraction, and we are contracting right now. So we're in this tight little range, popping out a little bit here and there. So it'll be interesting to see where we break to. But wherever we break, I believe we're going to make a pretty big move. So either up or down. And if we could break down through this line, we are definitely going to be testing these lows. This is obviously the more major low here, so we want to be aware of that. Start breaking up through here. I would expect a run up to these levels as well. So that's the S&P 500. Let's take a look at the Russell 2000. Okay, not as consolidate. We're not in a consolidation. We're actually making, look at higher lows. 1, 2, 3 days in a row, higher lows, 3 days in a row. Let's see the S&Ps again. I'm not getting that in the S&Ps. NASDAQ, same thing, higher highs here. And let's take a look at the Dow. All right, consolidating. So we'll see where we break up to. Let's revisit the RSPP trade. Remember I pointed this one out on Monday. Look at that inside bar here. Beautiful, beautiful trade when the market took out that high there. So we had some real nice follow through today. Right? Really nice follow through. And on Micron, MU, it had some good follow through but gave it all back. Kind of like the S&Ps. We ran to new highs and then we completely reversed and closed near the low of the day, right? Actually opened up near the low, so it opened up at 50.28, ran all the way up to 51.80 and completely reversed. Let's take a look at an intraday chart. I'm sure this looks, what the hell? Let's have a chart. All right, so look at, we ran up, we opened up here, we ran up, and we gave it back down in this level. So being long, as it took out the high of 49.83 to what, 50.01, 50.01. So highest we've got to so far is 51.80. So basically, since we have pretty much a doji here, right, open and close near the low is kind of bearish, right? And if you take a look at the S&Ps, the E-minis, look at a daily chart, just the day session rather. Look at the day session chart. Opening closed near that low. Opened near the low, ran up considerably. So again, we opened up at 26.39, ran up to 26.61, okay? And reversed completely. So if you take a look at an intraday chart here, a complete reversal, right? So we opened up, came down, tested the low of the day, ran up to new highs, and then slowly but surely gave it all back, closing near the low of the day. So of course that's pretty bearish, even though we're kind of in a range right here. So I would expect the market to break down through Wednesday's low, test and probably penetrate down through Tuesday's low, and then possibly even further. So we'll see where we break tomorrow, okay? Have a great night. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.